Hey everyone, Mitchell here with Mitchell Makes Vids. Today we're covering Ambitions Enterprise Management Co., ticker AHMA, a NASDAQ listed company providing enterprise management and executive event services with a focus on high profile international conventions. As of January 13, 2026, shares are trading around $5.28, up about 3% in recent sessions, with a market cap of approximately $157 million. The stock completed its IPO just a few months ago at $4 per share and has traded as high as $18.20 over the past year. Key recent updates: the company released unaudited financial results for the first half of 2025, and its subsidiary was named the preferred executive service partner for the upcoming 19th World Chinese Entrepreneurs Convention, signaling expanding partnerships in the global events space. This is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence. If you enjoyed this quick update, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more. Thanks for watching. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. I love you. See you on the next one.